We all know that the Bitcoin market moves based on supply and demand. Okay, every 4 years, there's a halving. The supply is cut. If demand remains the same, Bitcoin goes up. Now, if demand increases, it goes up even more. But what about the altcoin market? Altcoins don't have a halving. So what is it that's actually fueling the altcoin market? And more importantly, how can we make money off of it? What up, everybody? Nico here. Today I'm talking about crypto. We are moving into the bull run. It's a great time to be a crypto investor. The returns you can make in cryptocurrency right now are going to far outperform any other investment. Anything you invest in the stock market, any other hard asset, precious metals, you're not going to make the same amount of returns that you can make in crypto. It's the number one asset in terms of return in a specific time frame. So in the bull run, during that 2-year cycle, you're going to make returns that far exceed anything else. And then in the other 2 years, well, it's going to take a nosedive. At least it has in the past. So right now we're going into the best time. It's one of those times when you wake up in the morning, you check your phone, and you see that the coin you're invested in, or coins that you're invested in, just went up overnight. You made money while you were sleeping. It's a great feeling. This is my third crypto cycle that I've been investing in and following. I haven't really made any, huge amount of money in the first two cycles. Remember, last cycle happened during COVID. Things were a little weird during that period. And in the first cycle, 2017, I kind of got into crypto in the middle of the bull run. That's when I kind of started to learn about it. So today I want to talk about altcoins. Okay, as I said in the introduction, what really propels the altcoin market? Now, I think that every cycle we have, there's something that pushes altcoins that's different than Bitcoin. So in the last cycle, I believe it was NFTs that really pushed altcoins to new all-time highs. Remember NFTs, non-fungible tokens? They were a big hit. They were the in thing. People were creating their own. They were taking pictures and turning them into, a digital trading device, an NFT. They were creating their own NFTs, selling them on places like OpenSea, digital marketplaces. They were a big thing. NFTs are still around. There were people selling them back then, making millions. Several people would sell an NFT for millions of dollars. Remember Bored Apes? They were a tremendous thing. There's a saying in investing, the trend is your friend. In the last cycle, NFTs were the trend. But in this cycle, I don't think NFTs are the cool thing. I think the cool thing that's pushing the market are meme coins, baby. Meme coins. Pepe, Bonk, Dog with Hat. These are the cool things. And people are creating their own meme coins, which is kind of cool. Now, I don't care enough about meme coins to create my own, but they're still kind of cool. And people are trading them. I mean, there are detractors, oh, how stupid. They have no use case. Okay, you could say what you want, but the fact is they're propelling altcoins to all-time highs. Meme coins are the in thing. The trend is your friend. This is the trend. Now, in the last cycle, how could you profit off of NFTs if you didn't want to get involved in actually trying to mint an NFT yourself, which most people don't do? Well, it was very simple. You bought the token that all the meme coins traded off of, that one blockchain, and that was Ethereum. And in the last cycle, Ethereum was the big winner. It existed for years before, but Bitcoin was really the big number one digital asset before the last cycle. Ethereum became the thing. Ethereum shot up because, in my belief, NFTs really pushed it to its new highs. So all you had to do was buy ETH, because all the NFTs, they all traded on that blockchain. You buy the token of the blockchain they trade on. So let's look at this cycle. It's very simple. All the meme coins trade on Solana. If you want to profit off of meme coins, you don't need to make your own. All you got to do is buy the token of the chain that they all trade on. You could also start looking towards the next cycle. It's not too early to do that. If you make a good profit in this cycle, and it's not money you need right away for anything, you could take that profit and reinvest it into the next cycle. Now, Solana will still be around, but I don't think it's going to be the thing. It's probably not going to shoot up to the highs like a newer coin, the younger, newer coin. So understand, if you're planning ahead into the next cycle, it takes a little while for a coin to get to a point where you have real developer apps being built on the coin, real developer involvement. That's the word I was looking for. And real infrastructure. But what coins exist now that might be the big ones in the next cycle? A lot of press is going to the two coins that came out of Facebook's Libra. Remember Libra? Okay, two coins came out of that team. They left Facebook, started their own chains, and that is Sui and Aptos. But they both run on a completely different language. And that's what's going to take a little while. They need time, the teams that work there, to attract devs, to bring in devs who want to work using this language and develop protocols and systems and infrastructure and projects on these chains. Okay, Solana was different from ETH. It ran on Rust. And Sui and Aptos, these newer chains, the maybe newer, younger, hipper chains, they have a separate operating language. So people are going to need to adapt to that, and they need to draw some of the big top developers over to them in order to get some real traction in the market. But maybe those, or one of those two, becomes the next big thing in the future. Ethereum owned the last cycle. I believe Solana is going to own this cycle. And at the time of recording, it's already up about 300% year to date, so not too shabby. I think in the next cycle, it'll be something else that exists right now. Maybe it's Sui, maybe it's Aptos, maybe it's something else that's just not getting a lot of press, but they're actually building and working, and something might come out in the 2 down years when this cycle is over and you have 2 years of boredom and no one's talking about crypto. Those might be the 2 years that we see a chain really break out, and then that becomes the new big thing in the future. So let me know what you're into. Are you a meme coin trader? Are you still in NFTs? What is it that is your bag when it comes to crypto? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Add a comment below. I'll see you next time, baby.